The life journey of a honeybee, a tiny miracle of nature. Did you know? A tiny honeybee, in its short life, works so hard that it helps keep the whole natural world alive. Today, let's follow the amazing journey of a honeybee, from birth to death, a tale of devotion, purpose, and nature's wonder. 1. Born inside the hive. The life of a honeybee begins inside a small wax cell. The queen bee lays one egg in each cell. After 3 days, a tiny larva hatches from the egg. Nurse bees feed the larva with a special food called royal jelly. After a few days, the larva seals the cell and transforms itself. Inside, it changes shape from a worm-like body into a fully grown honeybee. Thus begins the life of one of nature's most hard-working creatures. 2. Roles and stages of a honeybee's life. Though a honeybee lives for a short time, every single day is full of duty. Its responsibilities change as it grows older. First few days, cleaning the hive, then becomes a nurse, feeding baby bees. Next, builds wax cells. Then, guard the hive, a soldier. Finally, leaves the hive to collect nectar, a forager. So, in one life, a honeybee passes through 5 different jobs. 3. The daring search for flowers. In its final stage, the forager goes outside the hive to explore the world. It visits hundreds of flowers in a single day, collecting nectar. This nectar is stored in a special honey stomach, used only for honey making. After returning home, it passes the nectar to other bees, who turn it into sweet, golden honey. This process is both scientific and magical. 4. Talking through dance. How do bees tell others where the flowers are? They dance. This special move is called the waggle dance. By moving in specific directions and speeds inside the hive, bees communicate the location, distance, and direction of flowers to each other. This is one of the most amazing natural languages in the world. 5. The queen's palace. Every hive has only one queen bee. She is the largest bee in the colony. The queen lays up to 2,000 eggs a day. Other bees feed her, clean her, and protect her. Thanks to her, the future of the hive stays strong. 6. The final flight. A life of labor ends. A worker bee lives only 5 to 6 weeks during summer, but she spends every moment serving others, gathering food, building homes, protecting the colony. When she grows weak, she quietly leaves and dies. The honey she made becomes food for new life. In truth, this tiny bee plays a huge role in keeping the earth alive. 7. Final message. Save the bees, save the planet. Without bees, there is no pollination. Without pollination, there is no food. Without food, there is no life. A honeybee may be small, but it gives life to the planet. Let's not destroy their homes. Let's protect them. Let's all join hands to save the bees and secure our own future. Sometimes, the smallest wings carry the heaviest responsibility on Earth. Subscribe to Eduexplorers for more inspiring and educational videos. Honeybee blossom.